welcome to Lasunya Fine Jewellery. Would you like to know what next year will bring you and have your own personal lucky charm symbol? We have an entertaining way to do that: lead pouring. The tradition of lead or wax pouring goes back to ancient times. The Celts and probably the Romans engaged in this custom, including the interpretation of the movement or shape of the candle flame. Using a burning candle, each person holds the spoon over the flame to melt down a small amount of lead or wax and then pours it into a container of cool water to produce a frozen shape. Each shape is interpreted to predict that person's fate for the coming year. Whether wax or lead, in any case, once in the cold water, a unique shape forms. The interpretation of the resulting shape is always open to debate, but that is also a key part of the fun. If you don't like the shape you get, you can always try another one. Here are a few meanings of certain shapes. A ball means that luck will roll your way. A frog means that you will win the lottery. A mushroom means that you will be lucky in love. And an arrow means that you will find the right way. To make it more remarkable, don't throw your cast away when you finish with it. We can make a cast in silver or gold as an amulet for you for the coming year. It will bring you luck and great memories. To order your unique creation, please go to our website or contact us directly on social media. And don't forget that you can see us on Instagram for our jewellery talk every Friday at 10 a.m, or you can watch the replay on IGTV. Thank you for watching.